Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the process of deleting your additional name on the LinkedIn app for PC, based on the latest update. If you've added an extra name before and now want to remove it, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the LinkedIn app on your computer. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Me icon. This is where you'll find all of your account-related settings. Click on it to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new window that holds everything related to your account management. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Look for Account Preferences and click on it. Inside Account Preferences, you'll find several sections that allow you to adjust your personal information. Scroll down until you see Profile Information. Under this section, there's an option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll see all the details linked to your profile name, including your primary display name and any additional name you might have added. The additional name is often used for nicknames, alternate spellings, or even maiden names. If you no longer want to keep it visible, simply locate the additional name field. Delete the name by clearing out the text inside that box. Once it's empty and looks the way you want, head down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This step is important because if you don't hit Save, your changes won't be updated. That's it. You've successfully removed your additional name from LinkedIn on the PC app. Now your profile will only display your main name, keeping your profile clean and easy for others to recognize. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more of our tutorials designed to help you get the most out of LinkedIn's newest features. Thanks for watching.